Oh, footage! Rain! More footage for the cutting room floor! It's coming down like water. Water from the sky. Look at those clouds over there. I don't know if the old phone could pick them up that cloudularly. That's technology for you. It sure is. I'm getting wet. Is that technical? It's a technicality. Oh. There. It's focusing too much on you and your big old head's in the way. What are you talking about? See? You see all the droplets. Move it, droplet. There's the rustic garage. Rustic driveway with some breezy rustic rain. There's the rustic shrubbery. See, those are just vines that keep growing. Oh, are they really? This big orange thing that keeps growing. Is it like a mushroom? I wonder if that text that just showed up is going to come on here. That'd be funny. I guess we'll find out. Probably not, because the other stuff isn't coming. Whoa! There's a tree. Yeah, I've never seen. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever seen the phone pick up clouds this well. Technology. Embrace it. Embrace your future. Let's get plainy. It looks kind of like it's dying down a little bit, but still, it's a fledgling garden. I think you can see it. Fledgling mud hole, which has actually gotten smaller now that the viney vines are taking over the yard. Last year was such a yard journey. Am I an influencer? Are you influenced? Let me influence you. The phone has to be this way for you to be an influencer. And now I'm sideways. Well, you'll never be a TikTok star. Oh, TikTok is poopy. Whoa, whoa. Well, it is kind of blowing out. I'll go to the stove soon. Well, I guess that's good enough. Good enough for a documentary feature award. Bye.